Diet tips: how to control high uric acid levels. Do you feel persistent joint pain, especially in your fingers? Then, you have good reason to doubt that you have an increased uric acid level. Uric acid is a breakdown product of purines in your body. Purines will be present in your body from normal cell breakdown and from the foods that you eat. Normally, a certain amount of uric acid will pass through urine and stool. But, in certain cases, the uric acid level in the blood increases when there is an abnormally increased production. Increased uric acid can also result from the decreased capacity of the kidney to eliminate them, as in cases like kidney diseases. High amount of uric acid in the blood will result in solid crystal formations in the joint, resulting in a condition called gout. If the level of uric acid remains uncontrolled, it can even result in kidney stones and kidney failure. The most relaxing news for all those who suffer from increased uric acid is that you can make significant change in your conditions by making some small changes in your diet plan. While considering uric acid diet plan, it is important to note that there are many do's and don'ts. Include foods that will help regulate the levels of uric acid and at the same time, avoid foods that will cause an increase. Here, we go through some important points that you have to keep in mind while planning your uric acid diet plan. 1. Drink plenty of fluids. Drinking enough water is a crucial factor that determines how much uric acid is flushed out of the body. Water will help in draining out all the impurities out of the body while it passes through the kidneys. Drink more than 3 liters of water a day. 2. High-fiber foods. According to a report from the University of Maryland Medical Center, high-fiber foods are an excellent choice to help decrease your uric acid level. It will absorb uric acid and will eliminate them through urine. Include foods like watermelon and oats in your uric acid diet. 3. Cherries. Cherries make an excellent option to be included in your uric acid diet plan. It helps in blocking the tubular reabsorption of urate and increasing urate excretion in the urine. Cherry will also block xanthine oxidase to decrease the production of uric acid. 4. Broccoli. Broccoli is rich in fiber and vitamin C, making it an important food to be included in your uric acid diet plan. Since uric acid is formed from the breakdown of purines, broccoli, which is low in purines, is a good option. 5. No bakery foods. Avoid bakery foods rich in saturated fats and trans fats. This will make your uric acid level increased. The additives and preservatives in these foods will also contribute to the condition. Avoid sugary foods like cakes, pastries and cookies. 6. Limit fish and meat. Consuming too much of red meat, this is another reason for having high uric acid levels. Certain fish like sardines and mackerel should also be avoided, as this may cause an increase in your uric acid level. 7. Avoid alcohol. Alcohol is an important cause of increased uric acid. It will interfere with the elimination of uric acid from our body. Consumption of alcohol will cause high uric acid, which will contribute to a gout attack. 8. No processed foods. Avoiding processed food is the best thing that you can do to keep your uric acid level in the normal range. The additives and preservatives used in processed or canned food may have ingredients that may cause an increase in uric acid. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.